What's up guys, and welcome back to this Mercedes Mobility minibus motorhome conversion. So today's job, I'm going to be cladding up the bathroom interior. As you can see, I've got the flooring down, I've got the shower tray down, the full frame's built, I've got the toilet waiting to go in, but I want to make sure that it's all cladded up behind the toilet and make sure that it's all going to be watertight as much as possible before I actually continue with the actual build itself. I've been out, I've got some PVC tongue and groove cladding. It's shower board approved, so it's going to be more than suitable for this. And as you can see, I've got nice flat surfaces, so I'm just going to be bonding the PVC cladding panels straight to the actual walls themselves. They're all just going to be cut to shape with corner edging to go around the window as well, and the window is going to be tinted and frosted just so you can't actually see through it as well. The rest of the bathroom build will probably be covered in different videos as well. This is just going to be a case of getting all the cladding up on, seeing how it looks basically. So I've been out, I've bought some red sparkle PVC cladding. They are 2.7 metres long, 25 centimetres wide, so they're all going to be having to be cut to shape, especially on the lengthwise. So they're all going to have to get cut down to, I think it's around about 187 centimetres, something like that. But when it's going down to the shower tray, it's a little bit shorter. That's the actual height that I've got inside the van, just about around about 187 high, which is quite nice. So I'm going to go and get the cladding out, get some safety gear out, some tools out, and we'll get cracked on, and we'll get the cladding cut down, adhered to all the walls, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll have a fully cladded up bathroom, ready for the shower tray to go in, the shower door to go in, the toilet to go in, this, that, the other. So let's get cracked on. So this is the PVC cladding that I've got. As it's quite a nice colour. It's a red colour with a bit of sparkle going into it when the light shines onto it. It's straight just tongue and groove click connect type stuff. So it's all going to need a bead of sealant running all the way inside the grooves as well, just to make sure that they are going to be 100% watertight. So I'm going to cut these down to size, get some adhesive on the back, get some sealant inside the grooves as well. We'll get cracked on, we'll get it all stuck on. Right, so cracking on with all of the cladding. Now the shower door's just arrived. I've had to order this online. This is a reduced height shower door, just because of the frame that I've built in. A normal standard height shower door would have just been a little bit too big, so I've had to go for a slightly reduced height one. This is 180 centimeters high, whereas your standard ones are 185, which just goes to show just how short I was in being able to get a standard door. But this one's going to fit in lovely. It's a fully enclosed unit with full safety glass built in. Now this one is around about 70 centimeters wide, so I'm going to have to build a quick, well not a quick, but I'm going to have to build an extension wall into the bathroom area, which will then also be getting clad with more of this red PVC cladding on the inside, and on the outside I'll be putting some of the brick effect PVC cladding that I've been putting on the living area. So just having a quick measure up, everything looks as though it's going to be hopefully relatively straightforward and easy enough to install. So I'm going to go and cut some timbers down and get a frame built in to accommodate the shower door. We'll get this fully built in, we'll get the shower door mounted in all the way around, and then we'll be able to finish off the rest of the cladding on the inside with the ceiling and around the window frame as well. But it's coming along quite nicely. I'm quite pleased and happy with how it's all turning out so far. So we'll crack on, get the rest of the frame built and see what it looks like when it's all done. Alright guys, so there we go, that is the bathroom fully cladded out now. I've got the ceiling fully finished, I've got the extension wall inside fully cladded out as well. The only thing I've got left to do is just get a little bit of it all tidied up. As I say, I've still got tiny little bits that just need rubbing off, as you can see, but that just comes straight off. But in regards to getting all the cladding in place and fixed in place, that's everything done. I've got the ceiling cladding all in place as well, as you can see. I've gone for white PVC with the chrome strips, and I've got two LED lights mounted into the roof, and they are wired onto a touch panel LED dimmer, just so the brightness inside the bathroom can be fully adjusted as and when required, so it can be made brighter when needed, or dimmed right down if it's late at night. Now the other thing I've got left to do inside the bathroom build now is to get the toilet in its final position. I'm just waiting to finish off the final bit of the water plumbing before I can get that fully sealed in place. I've got to get the shower itself mounted onto this wall. I'm hoping to get that done within the next couple of days. And then finally I've just got to tidy up around the window, frost out all the glass, apply some plastic trim around all of the gap between the window and all the insulation panels and things like that, just so if there's any water running down the glass it's just going to hit the plastic trim, run over the edge and straight down the panels into the shower tray for draining out later on. Now as I say, the lights themselves are on a dimmer switch so they can be adjusted in brightness. As you can see, they can be dimmed right down and brought back to full brightness as needed, with a little touch panel dimmer switch there with full on-off function as well, so that can be turned on and off as you need to. Now I'll put links in the description for everything that I've put within this build video, for the PVC cladding, for the ceiling cladding, for the LED lights, for the dimmer switch, for the sealants that I've used, this, that, the other. Everything that I've used within this particular build video, I'll put links in the description of the video for. There'll also be links over to my website, thecampervanbuilder.com, over to my Patreon page if you fancy helping support the channel just to help it grow that little bit quicker, as well as links over to my usual social feeds for Facebook, Instagram, this, that, the other. So have a look in the description for links to all the items that I've used within this build, as well as links to all of my social feeds as well. Now leave me a comment on what you think of this particular cladding. I think it's come out quite nicely, especially as a first attempt of building a bathroom out. As I say, I'm quite happy and pleased with how it's all turned out. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment below. I always go through all the comments that I receive in all my videos. I reply to most of them as well. So leave a comment, give the video a good old thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and have a look through my channel. I'm documenting this entire build, job by job. And there's also a previous 5 different conversions fully documented on my YouTube channel, The Campervan Builder, as well. So hit the subscribe button, have a look through some of my previous content, give the video a good old thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video of the series of this Mercedes Mobility Minibus Motorhome conversion. Thanks for watching. Cheers.